Today I will talk about how can you find this list or know how you can do that on your Meho map. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click on profile down here, just click on it here. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on additional settings, just click on it here. So then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Click on notification settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on device notification management, you just click on it. So then here you will find all device notification managements you have in this list. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.